That is lace right there. Wow. Boom. Well, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by MyFirstWig. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. But before we get started, give me a thumbs up. Okay, give me a thumbs up because y'all be forgetting, and this one deserves it. Do you see what is happening right here? This is not a drill. The debit card is burning. And MyFirstWig also said we're not gonna charge y'all a bunch of money to get all this either. But I'm gonna tell y'all about that, okay? Cause yes ma'am. But before we get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you wanna see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from MyFirstWig. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is going to be very easy because this wig right here comes ready to go out the pack. You may got to do a little pressing with the hot comb or the flat iron, but that's about it, y'all. This is already gorgeous. I can already tell I'ma like this. And y'all know I don't like bobs, okay? I'm not a bob girl. That's just not me. But this bob right here, when I put it on, I felt a little... a little Kelly Rowland spicy. They really did the natural edges perfectly. This is a natural Yaki texture and they gave it natural Yaki edges. They didn't do the curly edges on a straight wig. They made sure the edges are natural to the wig that it's on. They plucked the unit to perfection. The knots are bleached perfectly and this does not cost you extra. If y'all have been here for a while, then you know MyFirstWig used to charge extra for the, you know, the different specs. So the deep plucked and the deep bleach hairlines would cost more. Now they said, you no longer have to pay an upcharge for the bleach knots or the plucked hairline. So I appreciate that, MyFirstWig. I really do. Let me cut this lace off the back. Ooh, I think I cut into the wig a little bit. I'm excited. It does come with the attached elastic bands. Mine came sewn in. Okay, so you should get one on yours as well. And it also has MyFirstWig logo on the actual band, so you know it's coming from them. The lace is more, it has like a brown tint to it, so I don't think I need to tint under the lace. I don't even think I gotta straighten this joint. And it doesn't have a strong chemical smell at all. It actually smells, I don't know, it smells clean, even though this one is Yinky. What is Yinky? even though this one, oh my gosh. Let me get some water real quick, because even though this unit is Yaki, when you wash it, it may swell a little bit, but not as much swelling as you would get with a kinky straight unit. On the card they sent me, I got 160% density, and that only comes in the Indian hair, because the Malaysian hair only comes in a 13x6 130% density Swiss lace. So it's air lace and then Swiss lace. I apparently got the air lace because that's what comes on the 13x6 160 density for the Indian hair. So this should blend down really well. We will see. Let me just go ahead and plop her on my head then. I do have the straps on the back and I have the elastic band on the last hook. This is fitting down pretty snug on me. My hair is not flat under this wig though. A little bump back there, but not too much. And then I'm gonna cut off my ear tabs. It will definitely lay a lot flatter and snugger. Is that a word? More snug. It would definitely lay a lot more snug if my hair was, you know, flat under this wig. The way it's sitting on my head right now is more big head associate. It's definitely pulling back on my sides, but because the hairline is these natural edges, it's gonna work with my hairline. Look like I got on a choker, goodness gracious. It's not a lot of lace to cut off, so that's good. I shouldn't have to do any plucking or pulling with this hairline. I should be able to put my mousse on and kind of switch the hairs the way I want it. It's a little bit too much lace right here that I don't need. There we go. There we go. Same thing right here. Use your scissors if you need to. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline. 2 pumps, should be good to go. Swish it back. They did send me a little wrap, but y'all know I like the Velcro joints. The Velcro is what gives me a little warm and fuzzy, so I'm gonna use my own Velcro bands. I have them linked down below. MyFirstWig, I need y'all to go ahead and get on board. All right, so I think I need to straighten the hair out maybe a little bit. I mean, it comes with a bump. And it's not really a neck hugger, so I think I may be okay. But let me brush it out first and see how she's sitting on me. I'm definitely gonna put on some hoops. Like, that looks good, y'all. And the parting space looks real natural. I mean, I plugged up my hot comb, not my hot comb, I plugged up my flat iron just in case, but I don't think I need that. They did send me a flyway tamer, but I have one that's already open from them, so I'm gonna use that. There are like little frizzy short pieces. Can you see those? But they lay down pretty well. I'm gonna brush that in so I don't have that waxy look on the top. Brush, brush, brush. Hello? I don't think I need to bump anything. Not needed at all. I'm just doing it because I don't want to waste my heat. I already took the effort to plug it up, so I might as well. Let me take off the wrap to see how the hairline looks. Not bad. Gotta brush it into place. That back like that. Brush that back, brush that down. Let me fix my glasses over top my lace. That's how my sides are looking. Let me fix my sideburns. I'm gonna use my excess foundation. Kind of tint the lace a little bit because she ashy. I really cannot see this. Oof, yeah. Let me do a little bit of my contour right here by my ear because it's catching my light. It's a little ashy. Why do people with glasses be squinting like that's gonna make us see better? You know you blind, that's not helping you see any better. Wait a minute, wait a minute. I was about to say, my eyesight got real bad. Okay, put the glasses back on. Okay, y'all, so this is how we're looking. This is pretty simple. I have no complaints about this wig whatsoever. The hairline looks good. The parting space looks good. The texture is great. No shedding or tangling. This was a very easy beginner-friendly install because everything is already done for you. And I don't even need makeup to rock this joint. This will look good just with a bare face because that's how good it is. If you can rock a wig with a bare face, yes, ma'am. Y'all see the hairline? Do you see it? Do you see it? Still glueless around my hairline. Hold up, is that that's the wig? That is the wig right there, y'all. That is lace right there. Wow, boom. I got nothing negative to say, y'all. Let me look at the price really quick. Let's see, Indian 13x6, natural color, size 2, deep and ultimate pre-plucked hairline. My wig before the discount is about $224. After the discount, it's about $184. Listen, I like it. No daddy pop-off for this one. This one is for the sneaky link. Okay, this is for the visitation. This looks good, okay? But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to MyFirstWig for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.